Okay, guys, so you can see as soon as I sat down, Luna came over here. I have my other dog, Phyllis. And obviously you can see her hair. You know it's getting everywhere. And Phyllis, come here. Come here. Come here, Phyllis. So you can see I got both my dogs here. And you'll see how much hair is on my shirt here in a second from both of these girls. And with that problem comes how you get the hair off. Obviously you use one of those lint rollers, but what I have here, and I'll show you it up close, is this is a hair removing tool. And I've used this a couple of different ways. I actually didn't get that much hair on me. Let me go get all I have to do is lay on my carpet for a second. I'll have a ton of hair. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so you can see now I have a ton of hair. And the way we're going to work this thing is I'm going to roll it this way. I'm really not sure what the flaps are for. What I've noticed is this part right here is what's mostly going to be getting the hair off. And once you roll it back this way and it goes back, it's going to scrape the hair off and put it inside this little chamber here, which you're going to use this button to open up with. So let's go ahead and show you how this works. You can see that's just taking it off pretty much instantly. I'm sure some's falling off. It's not all going into here, which I'm totally fine with. As long as it's off my shirt, I'm happy. And there you go. Pretty much all gone now. I don't see any left. And you don't have to deal with all those sticky sheets and stuff like that. And you can see all that hair that's in there now. You can see some just popped out whenever I open it up. You see all that hair it captured. This thing actually works. I mean, at first I was trying to use this little flap thing to get everything off with. That's not the way it's supposed to work. Put that up, slide it up this way, and just use this little part right here is what's going to get the hair off. So you want something like this. You got pet hair on all kinds of stuff all the time like me. This thing's awesome. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.